Exercise 1.6 multiple choice question. So here the answer for each question is being presented. As you can see, the first question, n of a cross b is equals to 6, a is equals to 1 3, then what is n of b? So as you can see, a contains two elements, so we write n of a cross b is equals to n of a into n of b. As the relation is n of a cross b is given to us, it is 6 and n of a is 2 and n of b is as it is. So if the sign between both 2 and n of b is into, if it goes to that side of equal to becomes divide, therefore n of b is equals to 3. The option is C. Now we are coming to question number 2. For regular update, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Question number 2, a is equals to a comma b comma p, b is equals to 2 comma 3, c is equals to p q r s. So a union c is equals to, so as we know, union means you have to write all the elements but you should not repeat it. So all the elements are written. A union c cross b is equals to this. We are taking cross with each element. So the value of n of a union c cross b is equals to 12. The option is C. Next, question number 3. If a is equals to 1 comma 2, b is equals to 1 2 3 4, c is equals to 5 comma 6 and d is equals to 5 6 7 8. So which of the following is true? As you can see, a cross c is 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. So whatever the options are given, so we follow according to the option. So it is given in the option a cross c is contained in b cross d. So first we find these two values and check whether it contained or not. So as you can see, a cross c is being found, b cross d is being found, and all the values of a cross c is in b cross d. Hence therefore a cross c is contained in b cross d. All the values of a cross c is in b cross d. These four values. Hence therefore option A is correct. If there are 1024 relation forms a set A, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 to set B. Number of relation 1000 2 power n is equals to 1024. So 1024 can be written as 2 power 10. 10 can be factorized as 5 into 2 because A set has 5 element. Anyone can say 10 can be 1 into 10 also, but because we know that the value elements of A are 5, just because we write 5 into 2, and therefore B should contain 2 elements. The factorization of this is the factorization of 1024. So it is being factorized regularly with 2. So there are 10 2's, you can see. Now question number 5, the range of the relation R is equals to x comma x square, where x is a prime number less than 13 is. So all the values of x are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 should be squared. Those values will become f of x. So once we square, it becomes f of x. We write x here, we write x square here. So 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 5 25, 7 49, 11 121. Hence therefore option C is correct. Question number 6. If the order pair a plus 2 is equals to 4, 2 comma 4 and 5 2a plus b are equal, then a comma b is. So a plus 2 is equals to 5. Find the value of a. 4 is equals to 2a plus b. Finding the value of b, it is minus 2. Hence the option is D. Next we are coming to question number 7. If n of a is equals to m, n of b is equals to n, then the total of non-empty relation that can be defined from a to b is 2 power mn. Hence therefore option is D. This is straightforward question. So m into n, as we did in question number 4. If a comma 8 and 6 comma b represent the identity function, the value of a and b are respectively. So we write in this arrow diagram. So as you can see, a is 8, 6 is b, so 8 comma 6, hence the option A is correct. Okay, many ways we can write that. We can write in order pair, we can write in arrow diagram, we can write in graph, that you have seen in detailed question. Let a is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, b is equals to 4 8 9 10. Function is from a to b given by this relation 1 4 2 8 3 9 4 10. So for every Image in B has a pre-image, therefore it is one-to-one function, and the option is C. 10th, if f of x is equals to 2x square, g of x is equals to 1 by 3x, then FOG is. So when we write FOG, we write f as it is and we write the value of g of x. G of x being written in bracket, so it is 1 by 3x. So it is being squared, it becomes 3x the whole square, that is 2 into 1 by 9x square. So 2 by 9x square, option is C. So the correct option is C. If f is from a to b is a bijective function. So when we say bijective function, it is 1 to 1 and on to. If n of b is equals to 7, then n of a is equals to. So we just write, I have written myself function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and represent this by a, b, c, d, e, f, g. So b should contain 7 because to become a one-to-one function there should be pre-image. Okay, hence the option A is correct. 12. Let f and g be the two function given by f is from this relation is given, g is also given, then the range of FOG. So what we do here is, first we write f, the values given in f 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the comparative value of it 1, 0, minus 4, 2, 7. So the relation is being formed for f 0, 1, 2, minus 4, 7 to g. Again we represent f here. So this is how 0 to 2, 0 to 2 and then 2 to 0, 2 to 0. Then we have 1 to 0. So 1 to 0 and then 0 to 1. So as you can see the values here are 0, 1, 2, hence therefore option D is correct. First we have to represent f, then we have to represent z, and then we don't consider this, then we represent g to f. So this becomes FOG. This is how we represent in arrow diagram. Next we are coming to question number, let f of x is equals to root of 1 plus x square. This is direct question, so the option is C. Then question number G, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 is a function given by g of x alpha plus beta. By equating this, we substitute the value of x to be 1 and this x to be 1. We solve these two this way to get value of alpha and beta. So option is D. Function of x is represented. We expand this algebraically and the option is D. Thank you.